One of the fundamental pillars of Industry 4.0 is the availability of all relevant data on all production elements in real time. Therefore, comprehensive broadband network communications are a key requirement for Industry 4.0. A comprehensive broadband industrial infrastructure can support a wide range of applications and services, including the Internet of Things. It can support the integration of a wide range of connected devices, sensors, and systems that can communicate with each other and with humans. Advanced manufacturing. High-speed broadband connectivity can support the automation and integration of manufacturing processes, enabling the development of more efficient and flexible manufacturing systems. Smart cities. A comprehensive broadband infrastructure can support the development of smart cities, which use sensors, data analytics, and other technologies to improve the quality of life for citizens and to make cities more efficient and sustainable. Telemedicine. High-speed broadband connectivity can support the delivery of healthcare services remotely, including the remote monitoring of patients and the consultation with healthcare professionals. Virtual and augmented reality. A comprehensive broadband industrial infrastructure can support the development and use of virtual and augmented reality technologies for a wide range of applications, including training, education, and entertainment. These are critical for the success of smart production systems. As digital technologies and interconnected systems become integral to industrial processes, ensuring the security of these systems and protecting valuable data and assets becomes crucial. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential to safeguard against cyber threats, such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and manipulation of critical systems. Alongside cybersecurity, physical security measures are necessary to protect industrial facilities, equipment, and infrastructure from theft, sabotage, and unauthorized access. With the increasing connectivity between humans and machines, including the emergence of so-called cobots, it is important to ensure that the entire production process and ultimately the product itself do not pose a danger to people or their environment. By implementing comprehensive security strategies, including network security, data protection, access controls, and employee training, organizations can maintain the integrity, reliability, and safety of their Industry 4.0 operations.